Sometimes, you don't need someone new. You need to fight for the one you have. Love is like war. You don't abandon the battlefield when the fight gets hard. Remember why you chose them. That fire didn't go out. It's buried beneath life's weight. Dig deep, reignite it, and claim what's yours. Love isn't easy. It's a choice you make every day. It's a battle. Be willing to bleed for it. Hold them like you did in the beginning. Kiss them like it's the last time. The grass isn't greener on the other side. It's greener where you fight to keep it alive. The weak walk away. The strong stay and conquer. If you're not following us, you may never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations. You're growing every day.